Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video we will be discussing about Prestashop mobile app builder, that is Mobikul, and we will see how it can convert your Prestashop store into an iOS app. So let's get started with the video and see what are the features of this. So this is the home page. The customer will be able to see this. The admin can add various products in various categories such as popular, bestsellers and specials. And at the bottom of the page, the customer will be able to see that there is an option for newsletters. Here the customer can enter in their email address and then they have to click on subscribe for subscribing to the newsletters of the store. And at the bottom of the page, the customer can see that there are these 4 buttons: home, search, notification and cart. Home button is used for redirecting the customer to the home. After that, there is option for search. In here, the customer can search for any keyword and all the products containing that keyword will then be shown in the list. The customer can choose to view these products in the list or grid form, and they can even sort these products according to various parameters. After there is option for notifications. In notification, the customer will be able to see the notification which are made for the app. After there is option for cart, this is the shopping cart. The customer will be able to see the product that they have added in the shopping cart. So this is all which is shown on the home page. So when the customer click on these 3 dots, they will be able to see all these options. So the first option is for login. So now let's just quickly log in into the app. So we have logged in into our demo account, and after logging in, the customer will be able to see my accounts page. So in here the customer will be able to see all these information. So we will discuss each one of them one by one. The first option is my order history and details. In my order history and details, the customer will be able to see all their order history and they can see their details by clicking on details. And like this, they'll be able to see their order history and details. They can even reorder the same order by just clicking on reorder, and then the same order will be reordered. After that, there is my credit slips. In my credit slips, the customer will be able to see all the credit slips that they have got. After that, my addresses. In my addresses, the customer will be able to see all the addresses and they can even delete any address by clicking on delete. And they can edit any address by clicking on edit, or they can add any new address by clicking on add new address, and they have to provide all these information, and they can also name this address so that it will be easy for them to recognize it. After there is the option for my personal information. In here the customer can change their personal information such as their name, their email address, their date of birth and their passwords. They can also choose to subscribe or unsubscribe to the newsletters by just sliding these options. After there is option for my vouchers. In my vouchers, the customer will be able to see the vouchers that they have got. And lastly, there is option for my wish list. In my wish list, the customer will be able to see their wish list. They can create any new wish list. They just have to provide the name for the wish list and then they have to click on save. And as you can see, the wish list is now created. They can add their products in any of these wish lists according to their need, and they can view them by clicking on view, and this is how they'll be able to see their wish list. And they can set the priority for products as high, low or medium, and they can also delete this product from the wish list or any product by clicking on delete, and that product will then be deleted from the wish list. So this was all in the my accounts page. After that, there is an option for about us, customer service, terms and condition, policies. So these are all the information for the store owner. So the customer can see all this information about the store owner by clicking on these links. After, there is an option for contact us. So here the customer will be able to contact the store owner they just have to provide their email address, and then they have to select the order reference for which they have a query or any doubt, and after that they can write their message here and then they can click on save. After that there is an option for currency. So in currency the customer will be able to change the currencies of the app. So currently as you can see the currency is euro. So if the customer is not comfortable with euro and they know dollar more easily, so they can choose dollar, and then as you can see the currency is now changed to dollars. So the admin can provide various currencies here so that customer can easily choose between them. After there is option for language, so the customer can see various languages store. If the admin has provide multilingual stores, an admin can choose what language stores they want to provide to the customers. So currently there are two stores, one is for English and the other one is for French. So currently the store we are viewing is in English. Let's click on French, and as you can see the store is now converted into a French store. So if the customer is comfortable with French, they will be more likely to switch to that language store. So this way admin can provide various languages store so that customer all around the world can see their store more easily and understand it. After that, when the customer click on these three bars, they will be able to see the categories which are present in the store, and they can click on them and view all the products related to that category. So now let's just try adding a product into our wish list and purchasing it. So as we have opened a product page, so this is the product page. Here the customer will be able to see different images if the admin has provided different images for the product, and they can click on the image and then they'll be able to zoom in or zoom out of the image. Like this. After that, they'll be able to see that there are this option which is for sharing this product. So customer can click on it and share this product with their friends and family over their social media or messages. Then there is an option for write a review. The customer can even write a review for this product. They just have to provide the rating, the title and the summary. And then there is a price for the product, and now there are the custom options. So the customer have to choose these options in order to purchase this dress. Let's say the size and let's just say the color. So as we have chosen the green color, as you can see the image automatically changes to the green dress. And as we have chosen the yellow, the image automatically changes to yellow. So this is how the custom option works. So admin can add various custom options here so that customer can get exactly what they want. After there is an option for add to wish list. In this, when we click on add to wish list, the customer will be prompted like this, and they can choose in which wish list they want to add this product. Let's say new, and as you can see the product added successfully. After that, the customer can also add this product into the cart by clicking on add to cart, and as you can see added in cart notification appears. So now let's just firstly check our wish list. As we have added the product in our wish list, we will be able to see them in our wish list. As you can see, the product is now added in our wish list. That is the medium size and the color is orange. And we can now go to our cart page from the home button only, which are provided at the very bottom of the page, and from here we can click on proceed to cart, and from the cart only the customer can change the quantity. If they want 2 or 3 or 4 or any quantity of dress, they can do so by just clicking on them, and if they delete it, they can see that the product is then deleted from the cart. So as you can see here, if we leave it blank, then the product will get deleted from the cart. So now let's just proceed to checkout. Select the addresses, click on continue, select the delivery method, and then we have to click on continue. Then select the payment method, then continue, and then finally review your order summary and then click on place order. And then the customer will be able to see their order reference number, and then they can check their order by going to my accounts, my order history and details, and then as you can see, the order that we have just made is now shown here. It is a yellow dress with size S. So this was all for Prestashop Mobikul. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.